Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a hot topic for 2025. HelloFresh versus Marley Spoon. If you're someone who's always on the hunt for convenient, delicious meals without the hassle of grocery shopping, this comparison is for you. Both services promise to deliver fresh ingredients and easy recipes right to your door, but which one comes out on top? Let's break it down step by step. First off, let's talk about meal variety. HelloFresh offers a massive selection with over 30 recipes per week, covering everything from quick weeknight dinners to gourmet options. Marley Spoon, on the other hand, focuses on seasonal and sustainable ingredients, with around 20 to 25 recipes available. If you're all about diversity and trying new things, HelloFresh might edge ahead. Next, price and value are key factors. HelloFresh meals start at about $9 per serving, making it a budget-friendly choice for families. Marley Spoon is slightly pricier at $10-12 per serving, but they often include premium, organic options. For those watching their wallet, HelloFresh wins, though Marley Spoon's higher quality ingredients could justify the extra cost. Ease of preparation is another biggie. Both kits come with pre-portioned ingredients and simple instructions, but HelloFresh recipes are generally quicker to cook, most under 30 minutes. Marley Spoon emphasizes chef-inspired meals that might take a bit longer but feel more upscale. Customer service and overall experience? HelloFresh boasts a user-friendly app with easy customization, like swapping proteins or adjusting for dietary needs. Marley Spoon shines in sustainability, with eco-friendly packaging and a focus on local sourcing. Based on reviews from 2025, HelloFresh has higher ratings for reliability, while Marley Spoon appeals to eco-conscious users. Finally, my verdict for 2025. If you prioritize variety, speed, and affordability, go with HelloFresh. But if you're into sustainable, high-quality ingredients and don't mind a slightly higher price, Marley Spoon is the way to go. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your lifestyle. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more meal kit reviews. What's your favorite service? Let me know in the comments below.